Good morning, everyone. I'm Cici. I am very honored to share our school broadcasting solution to you. Now, let's follow my lead and take a look. And what we want to share with you consists of three parts. First, look and see the solution provided by Fanvil. And as you can see, we have different series of devices that are connected through the SIP protocol. For example, the console IP phone. Here, the console IP phone can act as a control center as well as broadcast and intercom device. And the campus scene cannot live without a variety of broadcasting equipment, so our wall mounted speakers and horns can well meet everyone's needs. And thanks to so many equipment created by Fanvil and our broadcast and intercom system, our solution is simple, integrated, and efficient. Here came to our advantage. We have so many devices so that we will provide you a one-stop solution. Our VoIP phones include audio phones, video phones, and console IP phones. In the top left corner, DAT phones in the office allow teachers to respond quickly, ensuring that internal information is delivered in a timely manner. And we also have a PA3 gateway for multicast. And we have Fanvil Device Management Cloud System, FDMCS, which realizes the cloud deployment. As you can see in this picture, FDMCS provides a centralized platform to make real-time monitoring and management of devices. Okay, now having understood our plan, let's look at how it works. Our solution has two benefits. One is benefiting the existing broadcasting system, and in this part, the main character is PA3. And the other is about the new model we will introduce later. Now let's focus on the existing system. In this picture, we can see PA3 can connect analog devices to the school VoIP telephony system, which aligns with our needs for digital transformation of the school. And the existing system has the following advantage. It will save our costs, is easy to maintain and easy to manage. And in addition, we are compatible with third-party platforms and can work independently. If you have understood our products, you will know PA2S has also been released before. I believe you must be very curious why we choose PA3 as the main product of the old model. Well, PA2S mainly focus on the intercom function and the short circuit input field. Look and see the table about the red font. In case of PA3, we have TF card slot and USB interface, which means we will have more storage to store the music files. I think it can match your need that we can use different music for different usage zones in school. So how does PA3 work? Well, here's an overview to help you understand our products better. Through PA3, we can transfer the analog line into the digital information. Also, it has built-in audio files, which means when we manage 20 songs, each song has its unique audio prompts. And at the same time, we can implement multicast through the SIP account. Based on the IP network, PA3 has intercom, paging, ring, and emergency broadcasting function. And about the intercom function, we can realize two-way intercom by VMS, IP phone, and speaker. And next, I will share the rest of three functions with you. Now let's look at the paging function. PA3 can connect to external power supply and microphone, and through it to achieve a variety of broadcast equipment paging. and it can be set up for each device for multicast separately. For example, if we want to call the 8212, we can dial number 2 in the console IP phone. At that time, PA3 will act as intermediary, broadcasting the information to 8212. And of course, in the campus environment, I think we also have the need for zone broadcasting. And when we want to implement a scene spot broadcast, PA3 is your most loyal partner. For example, in grade 6, we have 10 classes. If we only want to broadcast information to grade 6, we just dial 1002 and say something so that all the zone's device will receive information. And so we can target speaker equipment for some grades to avoid disturbing other grades. And next, we come to the scheduled broadcasting. So thinking of the most common scenarios, when you need to ring a bell to get to and from school, maybe you need devices to control the ring bell. At that time, PA3 can set the ringtone through the web page so as to achieve the scheduled function. Here is the broadcast scenery in classrooms. PA3 will give you the in-time ring to make sure we hear the class bell in time. I believe that in the campus environment, the emergency broadcasting cannot be ignored. So at this point, we can use PA3 as an intermediary to connect the emergency button with the IP home 8233 to provide critical information for people in disaster zones. In case of campus emergency evacuation, calls cannot be made not only through the emergency button, but also through the SIP protocol. And moreover, the emergency broadcasting can be triggered by short-circuit input. When the AI camera recognizes the broad situation, it can transmit information to the campus control center through PA3 so that the school security guards can respond in time. So at the same time, the automatic recognition of the equipment also will reflect the intelligent management of the school, which helps to improve the teaching level of the school. And we plan to update the firmware, including the aforementioned functions in mid-July. And you can download the address to get the newest software in the future. Just said that we have two modes, PA3 have been introduced. Now we came to the broadcast and intercom system as the core of the new mode. The solution aims to provide a safe and efficient campus environment for everyone. Here, we compare our system with the analog broadcast system. The advantage of Fanvil broadcast and intercom system is auto-provisioning, integrated with IP telephony, remote management, and the zone deployment is simple. While the analog system needs wiring and the zoning is complicated, which is not conducive to the unified management of the school. And the system will be your best choice for small and medium-sized applications because we have excellent sound quality, seamless integration with open standards, flexible expansion, which means the system will support up to 50 devices. And the system is easy to deploy and operate. Its integrated functions can connect to different types of devices easily. So why do we have so much confidence? Because more than 20 years of accumulation in audio and video technology helps create excellent sound quality. We aim to let every word can be heard and understood. And furthermore, the system is compatible with third-party platforms for seamless integration. It can manage up to 50 terminals, which can meet the application expansion of the most scenarios in campus. Of course, the system also supports out-of-the-box auto-provisioning within just 2 minutes, which helps reduce the labor costs and save our time. And we also have a large 10.1-inch screen and a graphical interface for easy operation. In this page, I want to share that our system will give the users all-in-one solution. It integrates multiple functions such as real-time broadcasting, emergency broadcasting, scheduled broadcasting, video monitoring, and multi-party communication, which means users need only one platform to manage all related functions, facilitating efficient collaboration. Now first, I will show you the functions in detail. And now let's talk about the real-time unicast broadcast function. The system has support voice broadcast and music broadcast, allowing messages to be sent in real time to specific areas or extensions. In addition, it also features real-time song broadcasting. For example, you can create a group named Class 7 in Scene 1 and then add the related devices to it, such as my mouse shown. Thus, we can ensure accurate information to the target group. And next, I have to mention the scheduled tasks feature of the system. Users can flexibly define multiple sets of tasks, such as daylight saving time or standard time. If you want to activate it, you just click the lamp shape, and when it turns blue, the task validates. So as you can see, it is very easy, right? This not only greatly improves work efficiency, but also brings great convenience to users. And certainly, the emergency broadcast function is a major highlight of this system. We can see a red signal on the main interface, which means in emergency situations, it has the highest priority to disturb other device working status to deliver the emergency information to everyone, thus ensuring our safety. For instance, if a fire breaks out on the second floor, the system can immediately broadcast an emergency notification saying, "Fire on the second floor, please evacuate immediately," to ensure the safety of all persons in school. In addition, the system also supports powerful intercom function. For example, we can easily communicate with designated extension through the dial pad or call buttons. And moreover, it supports conference calls with up to 9 extensions, catering to the need for multi-party communication. And lastly, the system also features monitoring capabilities. We can see you just select the video device and click OK, and then you will see a real-time display screen. I believe that through the above introduction, you have a certain impression of the broadcast and intercom system. I think a good system is inseparable from the support of related products. Below, I will share with you in detail the products we are very proud of. Now I will explain our products through a school scene picture. I will mainly introduce our new products A320i and one multi-speaker. And first, focus on the top right corner as my mouse shown. In the management center, we have A320i with built-in broadcast and intercom system, which is used to control the campus scene. And secondly, when teachers and students are in the classrooms, if they encounter unexpected situations, 8212 with 15 watt. Look at see this one is 8212 with 15 watt of home power. It can provide immediate feedback and daily situation notification in case of emergency. Of course, its powerful power can also help to play an advantage in the playground gymnasium. And you can see the SIP home will play an important role on school roads. If you are interested in our intercom products such as this one, you are welcome to consult. And from this map app, we can see that our products cover console IP phone, speakers, in-paging gateway, intercom, and gateway. Among them, W712 can be realized into communication between VoIP system and analog radio. When you are on patrol at school and need to use a handheld telephone to transmit information in time, then W712 will be a good companion for you. So as you can see, we have console IP phone A3220i. It can manage up to 50 terminals. This is the console IP phone. It has 90 decibel full duplex hands-free. And we will have the product selling speaker that can broadcast in real time via IP phone. And this one is the wall mounted speaker. It can support 105 decibel sound pressure, which means it have 1 meter pickup distance. And the SIP home support 115 decibel sound pressure. It will be available in December. PA2S can support the working temperature between -30 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. The paging gateway can support USB 2.0 port and TF load for local music library. And the gateway will link to can support SIP hotspot, web management for devices, HD audio, and so on. This one has support protection class IP54. The video intercom has built-in HD camera and backlight compensation function. The audio and video intercom has camera with infrared night vision, adopt H.264 codec. Okay, that's what I want to share with you, and thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to listen to our sharing.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you guys for your time and looking forward to speak to you guys next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.